You need stencil, underground, black, white, red, blue for background. Place stencil 1, cover it with black completely. Use stencil 2, masking stencil cutouts and brush in white. Stencil 3, color. You can take any color you like. I took red. Stencil 3. Place so that it is flush with the black at the edge. I spray white first, so that the red on the black comes more strongly to effect. The stencil must not move when changing colors. If it does, you must align it correctly again. Apply stencil 2, masking stencil again and brush the background. Stencil 4 is sprayed with white. The headlight and the spoiler are the contact points. There is also a border engraved on the film to help you align the template. I do not spray the white fully, so that red still shines through. Template 5, highlight, also with white. The hoop and the engraved border are the contact points. Here you spray the white only lightly. Some places I spray a little more, some a little less. This makes it look more realistic. Stencil 6, use black for dark shadow. Again, to align, use the outline on film, but you can also use the edge of the car. Do not spray the black too opaque. I would say, half opaque, so that you can still see the background through. Stencil 7. Use black again for the light shadow. Align the stencil to the lower edge of the car. The black you spray here again only lightly. As with white for the highlights, only lightly mist the color. Finally, place the masking template step 2 back on the surface, and spray the background. Thank you for watching.